Right, so we've got this PS5 in today. Apparently the HDMI, it was dropped or something, and HDMI doesn't work. So we'll get the tester plugged into it and see what we can see with it. So they want to clean out as well while we're there. So let's get this. It's not a good sign. Most of the ports showing us OL, so not connected. Oh God, probably means something like the traces have been torn. So let's get it apart and see what the hell's going on. It's only got plenty of fluff inside anyway. Nice. There we go. If you look at all them solder joints, look, they are all cracked. So the port's obviously been pushed back. So what we're going to do, take that off, put a new port on it, because so that port's will be trashed by now. So hopefully there's no pull pads. There we go. That's the port removed, all cleaned up. Just got to put the new one on there. There we go. That's new port on, all replaced. All right, so I've just tested it all. That's fine. So get it put back together now. There we go. It's all been cleaned out. So sparkly clean. So the backside vent's done. Sort the liquid metal out quick before we put it back together. There we go. Fan's all clean. All right, we're on. And we are working. There we go. Job done.